SYRS Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Syros Pharmaceuticals is sitting at 26 cents and I see a 4.6% increase in price. Context, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course cement trips, and I've documented everything. And like, this is like the deliberately like this from the beginning of the video, just to show you how bad of a bearish chart this really is. And for me, if I saw double break, I was taking things low, and I'm still sitting by it, you know. If the double break is here in mat, I'm talking 1 hour chart, 30 minute, 15, whatever. But without that double break, I would just not move forward. And I really mean by it, you know, I really stand by what I say. So that's how SYRS looks like for me. In the meantime, all I'm doing is I'm just waiting. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. And guess what? I'll keep you updated. Goodbye.